friends, I am Nilima. Welcome to NG classes. Our today's topic is logic gates. Logic gates are fundamental blocks of digital system. Logic gate is an electronics device which makes logical operation. These gates are classified as fundamental gates and derived gates. Fundamental gates are also known as basic gates. These gates are OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate. Derived gates are derived from fundamental gates as NOR gate, NAND gate, XOR gate and XNOR gate. So let's see each gate one by one. Friends, always remember each gate has two or more inputs and only one output. Only NOT gate has single input and single output. For better understanding, here we consider two inputs for all gates. So let's start with OR gate. OR gate performs logical addition which is known as OR function. Here A and B are inputs and Q equals A plus B is output. This is symbol of OR gate. Output of OR gate is low only when all inputs are low. If any input is high, output is high. This is truth table of OR gate. Next gate is AND gate. AND gate performs logical multiplication which is known as AND function. Here A and B are inputs and Q equals A dot B is output. This is symbol of AND gate. Output of AND gate is high only when all inputs are high. If any input is low, output is low. This is truth table of AND gate. Next gate is NOT gate. NOT gate is also known as inverter. It performs basic logical function called inversion. The purpose of this gate is to convert one logic level into opposite logic level. This is symbol of NOT gate. A is input and Q equals A complement is output. When input is low, output is high, and when input is high, output is low. This is truth table of NOT gate. The next gate is NOR gate. NOR gate is combination of the OR gate and NOT gate connected together in series. Here A and B are inputs and Q equals A plus B complement is output. This is symbol of NOR gate. Output of NOR gate is high only when all inputs are low. If any input is high, output is low. This is truth table of NOR gate. The next gate is NAND gate. NAND gate is combination of AND gate with NOT gate connected together in series. Here A and B are input and Q equals A dot B complement is output. This is symbol of NAND gate. NAND gate is reverse or complementary form of AND gate. The output of NAND gate is low when all inputs are high. If any input is low, output is high. The next gate is XOR gate. XOR gate is also known as exclusive OR gate. Here A and B are inputs and Q equals A XOR B equals A complement B plus A B complement is output. Output of XOR gate is low only when all inputs are same. If inputs are different, output is high. Next gate is XNOR gate. This is known as exclusive NOR gate. Here A and B are inputs and Q equals A XOR B complement equals AP plus A complement B complement is output. Output of XNOR gate is high when both inputs are same. If any input is different, then output is low. Friends, I hope you understand all logic gates. So please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you.